Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Another very interesting and very powerful video. Today I will talk about once again the CPA marketing, and I'll be taking an example of CPA grip. Okay, I'll tell you which offer to promote, and don't skip the video. I will tell you highly targeted free traffic, okay, where no one is promoting. All right, you will get laser targeted traffic, no one is promoting, and if you stay consistent, you need to give 2 hours a day, that's it. If you stay consistent, definitely you will get a lot of leads. Okay, I'll tell you which product to promote and where to promote. All right, so without wasting any time, let's just dive straight to the video. See, this is the dashboard of the CPA grip account. Once you log in, you need to come over here, as I have already said many times. Over here on the left hand side, my offers, and over here select United States. All right, and hit enter. You will see lot of offers from USA, and it's all zip submit, email submit offers. Okay, you will be getting paid $2.05. You will be getting paid $2.05. Okay, so you need to promote that offer. The gift card offers where they are providing $500, $750 gift card. See, this is the one. Act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. Enter for a $500 Adidas gift card. See, these are the two offers. These are the two offers which you need to focus on. All right, so we'll just click over here. We'll get our affiliate link. We will just shorten it. Suppose we want to promote the PayPal gift card. We'll click over here. We'll just copy this link. We will just shorten it from Linktree. Okay, when we'll copy this from Linktree, then this is the step one. Everyone knows up to here. Now where comes the traffic? Where we will get the traffic from? See, you need to visit the website dallas.craigslist.org. Don't skip the video. I'll tell you the trick how you need to promote this offer. All right, the website name is Dallas, DALLAS.craigslist.org. okay, when you open this website, you will get this page. Over here, click on resume. It's all free strategy. Okay, I'll tell you what to write. Stick to the video. When you click on resume, you will get all the options over here. You will get all the options over here. And over here you need to write work from home. When you write work from home and you need to hit enter, you will get all the people who are interested, who are looking for work from home jobs. Okay, see the latest one, seeking work from home jobs, 28 March, office, warehouse, field work from home jobs. These are all the people who are looking for money, who are looking for work from home jobs. So we just need to connect the dots. All right, what we have to do is we need to open this one by one. Okay, we need to open this. Suppose we want to message this to this people. We will just click over here and this profile will be opened. All right, okay, not this one. These are the one they are providing the jobs, but we will be focusing that one. I am looking for a work from home job. This is the one that he is looking for, work from home job. Okay, see, he is looking for work from home jobs. We'll just click on reply. When we will click on reply, see, automatically they will ask for your email address. Okay, and you need to send the message. Okay, your email address will be opened automatically and you will send the message. This message you need to send. Because of this pandemic, a lot of people have lost the jobs. As a part of promotion, we are providing $750 PayPal gift cards to the first 56 people only. If interested, kindly visit our website, and this will be your bit.ly affiliate link. All right, you need to send this message to all these people who are looking for work from home jobs. Okay, it's very easy to send email to these people. Just click over here, show email, and it will ask you to use that email which you want to send the message for. Okay, and the best part of it is you can send unlimited. There is no limit over here. You can send unlimited messages, email to these people, and it's highly targeted traffic. It's all warm traffic. See, 26th March, 28th March, 23rd March, they are just posting in on Craigslist. They are looking for work from home jobs. You can also write remote jobs like this, remote jobs. Okay, you can also write data entry jobs. Are you getting my point? So you need to write from different keywords. You need to give only 2 to 3 hours per day, and you need to send email to these people. All right, it's very easy to send the email. Click over here okay, I need a job ASAP, just click over here, and on the reply section, just click on reply. Automatically they will ask for your email address. That's how you will send it. Okay, so this is one of the best high quality free traffic. You don't need to visit any highly targeted New York Craigslist website. You need to visit dallas.craigslist.org. This is the website where there is very less competition and no one is promoting. Okay, you need to promote CPA offers. All right, this is the first traffic source. Second, I would recommend you to go for the paid traffic. If you have some money, then go for the paid traffic. The traffic name is ExoClick. See, it converts very well on mobile phones. The kind of traffic this website receives is tremendous, and a lot of companies are associated with this traffic source. CanTalks, Mobisy, Digital Performance, Up For It, Ladbrokes. They have a huge inventory. They have a huge volume. If you are looking for traffic for just peanuts, then ExoClick is the way to go. They do have a minimum deposit, which is $200, but for $200 you will be getting, in fact, more than 2,000 people. That's how the cheap traffic is this. Okay, only the minimum deposit is $200. Rest the traffic is very cheap. Okay, if you can afford, then I would recommend you to go for exoclick.com. This is the best website. Promote all these CP offers. Just select $10 per day. Okay, just run campaign $10 per day and promote 3-4 offers from here. $10 from here, $10. What I'm trying to say is $10 per day for a week. Select the campaign and promote 3-4 offers from CPA Grip, and you will receive lot of volume. If you receive 2,000 people, 10% is bound to sign up on this website. I mean, is bound to sign up on your affiliate offers. So are you getting my point? This is the one, exoclick.com, and the second is propellerads.com. These two websites have got enormous amount of traffic. They have got huge inventory. This work on push notification. Okay, so focus on the mobile phone. The offers which you are promoting from CPA Grip, just focus on this on your mobile phone. Select the mobile phone offers and launch a campaign on Propeller Ads. All right, always promote the high converting offer. Never promote the EPC. Never promote the offer which has a low EPC. Always promote the high converting offer. These are the ones. 0.90. See, this is the one on Propeller Ads. Mobile Zip Submit. 0.90 is the EPC. You need to promote this offer. 2.05 you will be getting on this Propeller Ads. So are you getting my point? These are the two traffic source. If you have the money, you can just go ahead and promote the offers on exoclick.com and select the mobile phone and select US traffic, and over here Propeller Ads, select the mobile phone and select the US traffic. Okay, these are the two offers which you need to promote. Go ahead and crush it. I have told you the best step-by-step, highly targeted, high quality traffic. And if you don't have money, if you want to go for free, then dallas.craigslist.org is the website which you need to go for. Okay, so I hope you find this video very helpful. If you are still struggling to make money online, you have never made a dime, and if you are still struggling to figure out the way, then there is a link in the description. Get my step-by-step practical CPA marketing training and start implementing the strategy right from today. Full lifetime support will be provided to you. Okay, take action. If you stay consistent, definitely you will get